I had an unpleasant surprise this morning. I was out here early to make sure the new roosters didn't kill each other. And I heard a baby crow. You see that beautiful baby with the bright blue ears? That is Dina Butt. And Dina Butt is a Dino Butt. So, and let's go around here and we'll look at my other little babies. There's my butt. She's dust bathing back there and kind of hiding. And here's my little Cochin babies. Here's my little Cochin babies. The chubby bubbies want food.